Hey, this is Norman Ford here, and
Okay.
with Real Solutions TV, and we have a gentleman joining us today. It's Blake Phillips. He's a tax accountant, and he's going to talk to us today about some of the things that we all want to ask our tax accountants. Blake, are you there?
Yes, I am, Norman.
How you doing today?
I'm doing real good. How are you?
I'm real good. Thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate it.
Thank you for that.
We've done a lot of research, Blake, and we know that there's hundreds, if not thousands, of people every day that go online looking for a tax accountant, tax services. With all of your years of experience and stuff, what kind of advice would you give these people if they were looking for an accountant?
Well, when you're looking for a tax accountant, I think of three things that you're looking for. You're looking for expertise, you're looking for experience, and you're looking for some extra. In expertise, I think one of your first things you're looking at is their credentials. Who's providing their licensure? Whether you're looking for tax, individual or business tax preparation or planning, you're first looking for an enrolled agent or an EA who's been tested and licensed by the Internal Revenue Service for doing federal, individual, and business tax returns. Next would be a CPA or certified public accountant. And last would be a tax attorney who's tested by the American Bar Association for all law, but with a specialty in tax law. Next, you're looking for experience. And when I think of experience for an accountant, I'm not looking at how many tax returns they've done or how long they've had their shingle hung out, but do they have some real-world business experience? Have they managed and or owned another business? Have they walked in the shoes of their small business clients and understand the issues that they face every day? And lastly, when I talk about extras, you want someone who's focused as much, if not more, on tax planning as they are on tax prep. I like to think of it, you're looking at someone who wants to help you write your history, not just record it. George Washington wrote the history of the United States, and hundreds of biographers over the years have helped record that history. We all remember George, we don't remember the biographers.
Very good. Thank you. So very, very good information. And I especially like the George Washington comment there. If someone were on the internet and they're out there, they're looking for an accountant right now, and they were to pick up the phone and give you a call, like, what kind of experience would they have with your company?
Well, I think the first thing they would notice in their experience is that whether they're calling or sending an email, contacting me through the website, is that the response they're going to get is from me directly. Not an assistant, not a secretary, but actually the person that's going to be preparing their taxes and working with them on their financial statements and working with them in their business. The next thing is when I'm working with a business client, I start with a free tax consultation and a free 1040 appraisal, where I'm looking at their tax returns, looking for the mistakes and missed opportunities that have been costing thousands of dollars, and trying to find out where they've been, where they are, and where they'd like to go, and give them some real guidance as far as how to get there, what their options are.
Very good. Good information. Really good information. And I guess the last question, and this is kind of a biggie, there's hundreds and hundreds of even in probably just your area, of accountants out there. What makes you different from everyone else out there? Why should someone pick up the phone and call you right now?
Well, I'm one of approximately 150 certified tax coaches in the country, and that's a group of tax professionals that have been certified by the American Institute of Certified Tax Coaches who focus and concentrate on proactive tax planning for self-employed and small business owners. We use real-world IRS and tax court tested and approved strategies to help our clients lower their tax bill, and we teach them how to beat the IRS legally.
Yeah, I'm glad you threw that one in there. I mean, and you know what? That's the reason that people honestly and truly should use an accountant. I've had a CPA work for my company forever and ever, and I'll be honest with you, to not have one is a huge mistake on your part. It really is, because there are just stuff that you can't possibly know about on every day that is being updated, and there's a tremendous amount of deductions that I personally don't know anything about. I've had that experience before, so yeah, I can appreciate that, and I'm impressed that you're also one of 150 accountants in the United States that's even certified to do what you do. So what I can say to everybody is that if you're looking for this type of an accountant, there's the number right there in front of you. It's 520-955-8290. Give Blake a call. Blake, listen, thank you very much. We appreciate you coming by today and spending a little bit of time with the people.
My pleasure.
Okay, thank you.